students, welcome to my channel. Vector calculus. Find the directional derivative of pi is equal to x square yz plus 4x z square plus xyz at 1, 2, 3 in the direction of 2i vector plus j vector minus k vector. Directional derivative is equal to formula del pi dot a vector divided by modulus a vector. Del pi dot a vector by modulus a vector. First we have to find del pi. Del pi is equal to I vector dou by dou x plus j vector dou by dou y plus k vector dou by dou z. Here pi, dou pi. First, given pi is equal to x square yz plus 4x z square plus xyz. Dou pi by dou x. First, differentiate pi with respect to x. With respect to x means here differentiate x square. X square differentiation 2x, yz is constant. Plus here differentiate with respect to x is 1. 4z square. Next x differentiation 1, remaining yz. Next del pi by del y with respect to y. Differentiate with respect to y. First term y is 1, remaining x square z. Differentiating with respect to y, y1, remaining x square into z. Plus with respect to y. Here no y term, 0. This term no y term, so 0. Next, with respect to y is 1, remaining xz. Next, dou pi by dou z with respect to z. With respect to z, z1. Here z1, remaining x square y. Here with respect to z square differentiation 2z. Z square differentiation 2z. 2z into 4x. 4x into 2z. Plus with respect to z, z1, remaining xy. Here total value 4 2s are 8, 8xz. Now we substitute dou pi by dou x, dou pi by dou y, dou pi by dou z. In this equation, I vector dou pi by dou x 2xyz plus 4z square plus yz plus j vector into dou pi by dou y, x square z plus xz. Next k vector dou pi by dou z, x square y plus 8xz plus xy. X square y plus 8xz plus xy. Del pi. Now we put the values x, y, z. X value 1, y value 2, z value 3. The given point 1, 2, 3. x1, y2, z3. Now we substitute the value in the equation equal to I vector 2 into 1 into 2 into 3. 2 into 1 into 2 into 3 plus 4z square. 4 into z square. Z3, 3 square plus yz 2 into 3 plus j vector x square z x1 1 square into 3 1 square 1 into 3 plus xz x1 z3 1 into 3 1 into 3 plus k vector del pi 2x yz plus 4z square plus yz into I vector x square z plus xz into j vector x square y plus 8xz plus xy into k vector. By substituting the values 1, 2, 3, x1, y2, z3, 2 into 1 into 2 into 3 plus 4 into z square 3 square, y into z 2 into 3 I vector plus x square 1 square into z3 plus x into z 1 into 3 j vector plus x square 1 square into y 2 plus 8xz 8 into 1 into 3 plus xy 1 into 2 k vector. Simplifying 12 plus 12 this 36 6 total value 54i. Here 6j total value 28k vector. Direction of 2i plus j minus k. Direction a vector 2i plus j minus k. 2i vector plus j vector minus k vector. Modulus of is equal to 2 square 1 square minus 1 square. Coefficient of I, coefficient of j, coefficient of k. 2 square plus 1 square minus 1 square. Total value 6. Direction derivative formula del pi dot a vector by modulus a vector. Del pi 54i plus 6j plus 28k dot a vector direction 2i vector plus j vector minus k vector by modulus root 6. By dot product I dot I 1 54 into 2 108 6 into 1 6 28 into minus 1 minus 28. Total value 86 divided by root 6. Directional derivative 86 by root 6. Find the directional derivative of pi is equal to xy square plus yz cube at the point 2, minus 1, 1 in the direction of PQ, where Q is the point 3, 1, 3. Last problem, we have seen the directional derivative, the same formula, del pi dot a vector by modulus a vector. Del pi dot a vector modulus a vector. Here direction a vector is equal to PQ. PQ, direction PQ. PQ vector. PQ vector means Q minus P. Q minus P vector. Q vector 3i plus 1j plus 3k. 3 into I vector, 1 into j vector, 3 into k vector. 3i vector plus 1j vector plus 3k vector. 3k vector minus P 2i minus j plus k. 2i minus j plus k vector. 2i minus 1j plus 1k vector. By simplifying, 3i vector plus j vector plus 3k vector minus 2i vector minus into minus plus j vector minus into plus minus k vector. 3i minus 2i 1i, j plus j 2j vector, 3k minus k 2k vector. This is the direction a vector. A vector. PQ vector is a vector. Now del pi I dou pi by dou x plus j vector dou pi by dou y plus k vector dou pi by dou z. Dou pi by dou x. Dou pi by dou x. Differentiate pi with respect to x. Pi is equal to x y square plus yz cube. Xy square plus yz cube. First differentiate with respect to x. X1 y square. Here no x term, 0. Dou pi by dou x equal to y square. Next dou pi by dou y with respect to y. X into 2y. X into 2y. 2xy. X into 2y, 2xy. Next y1. Here y1 z cube. Z cube. Next dou pi by dou z. With respect to z, no z term, 0. Z 3z square. Z cube differentiation 3z square. 3z square y constant. 3z square y. Given point P. P is equal to 2 comma minus 1 comma 1. X, y, z. Dou pi by dou x is equal to y square minus 1 square 1. Next dou pi by dou y. Dou pi by dou y. 2 into 2 into minus 1. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Minus 4 plus z cube. 1 cube 1. Equal to minus 3. Dou pi by dou y minus 3. Dou pi by dou z. 3 into 1. 1 square. 3 into minus 1. Minus 3. Minus 3. Del pi is equal to I vector dou pi by dou x 1. 1i. 1i vector plus dou pi by dou y minus 3. Minus 3 j vector. Minus 3 j vector. Minus 3 j vector. Dou pi by dou z minus 3. Minus 3 k vector. Minus 3 k vector. PQ vector is equal to A vector. Direction. Modulus of A vector is equal to square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 4. 9. Root 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. 3. Modulus A 3. Directional derivative is equal to del pi dot A vector by modulus A vector. Del pi I vector minus 3j vector minus 3k vector dot A vector. A vector I vector plus 2j vector plus 2k vector by modulus 3. Modulus 3. Dot product 1 into 1. 1. Minus 3 into 2. Minus 6. Minus 3 into 2. Minus 6 by 3 is equal to minus 12 plus 1. Minus 11 by 3. Directional derivative. Answer minus 11 by 3. Thank you.